How do you store your Stampin' Up! Stamps? I get asked that question all the time, and so in this video I am going to take a few minutes and show you exactly how I do that. I'm Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and let me show you how I do store my stamps. So right behind me you'll notice I have these cases here, and I just purchased these cases and they're from Ikea, and we'll put on the screen the name that they are. When I went to Ikea, I went to purchase something different and they were all out of stock, unavailable, and no sight when they would be back. So we kept searching the store and I found these. Now they do have a green back. If you like color, we flipped it over so it's using the white. So a few things about these cases and then I'll get into the stamps. There's like two shelves here, and we have it adjusted so there's kind of this middle piece, and I wasn't sure how that would work, but we made it work. So how I do my stamps is I do them alphabetically. So we don't have the wood stamps anymore, and I only have out current stamps that are in our current catalogs and publications, because again, I do this as my full-time job, and so I want to only use in my videos and my projects things that people, my customers and friends, can purchase. So if you're looking and like, Michelle, you don't have very many stamps. Oh, believe me, I have hundreds and hundreds, but these are my current ones, and again, I do sell most of the other ones. So again, I do them alphabetically, and I do all catalogs alphabetically. So in here is the annual catalog along with our mini catalog right now. And then as those retire or they, the catalog ends, I will pull them and save them until I know they do retire. But anyway, that's how I do it. So there's several ways you can do your stamps. You can do them, again, I do them alphabetically. You can do them by catalog. You can organize them by categories such as like birthday and masculine and baby and kids. There's so many ways to do it, but this is how I do mine. I love it. It works for me. And what I have in the center here are just a few that actually are retired that I use for team cards. Two of them have really cute owls on them, so again, I kept those and I use those for my welcome to my team cards. And then these here are the celebration ones that just ended, and I haven't like figured out what, I haven't put them away yet. So this center piece works great for stuff like that. On the bottom here, just a little note, if you do want to look to invest in these shelves, the this inside is kind of a little tight. I mean, they fit, but it's definitely tight compared to the center. And the top, there's no problem. There's tons of room up there. But I just wanted to point that out if you are interested in my system. Now, I have used other containers specifically made from like OrganizeMore.com and Stampin' Storage, and I have those, but I had to purchase a lot more, and so this was just a more affordable option for me to use now. So I thought I would share that with you. We put a big shelf that goes across here, so that's what my stamps are on, and I like that right underneath here I can fit my Stamparatus, and I actually have two Stamparatuses and then my old Stampin' Scrub and some little grid paper there. So that's how I store my stamps and organize them, and leave me a comment below what you think of this or how you do yours. I love seeing all the different ways. I know different ways work for different people, but I hope that maybe this was helpful for you, and maybe if you do need to organize your stamps, this will inspire you. Again, I know I'll probably get asked, what do I do with the ones I do keep that are retired that aren't out? I have a cabinet at home that I just store all of my retired stamps that I love so much that I can't part with. So those are just in a cabinet in my old studio back at home. So again, I will see you in the next video where we're going to go over paper organization.